Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. This is Kathy, and it's part 2 of What's Up Next in Idaho versus Kohberger. Go to page 2 of the order rendered by Judge Hippler October 9th, 2024, to the section entitled Expert Disclosures. It's at the bottom of the page. And it basically tells us that each side has to turn over 3 things: a list of proposed experts, their curriculum vitae, and also a report consistent with the Idaho criminal rules of what they're expected to testify to at trial. If you go to the bottom of page 2, it tells us that the state's guilt phase expert witnesses are due, the disclosures are due December 18th, 2024 to the defense. Defendants' guilt phase experts are due to the state January 23rd, 2025. And finally, the state's rebuttal guilt phase experts are due to the defense February 13th, 2025. The next 3 items, and this is now the top of page 3, have to do with any penalty phase. In other words, if Mr. Kohberger, who is considered innocent at all stages of the proceedings up to and including at trial, is found guilty of the charges that have been brought against him, they then go into a second phase. This is called the penalty phase. If that happens, state's penalty phase expert witnesses are due to the defense January 27th, 2025. Defendants' penalty phase experts are due to the state March 31st, 2025. The rebuttal penalty phase experts are due from the state to the defense April 28th, 2025. Now, 3 points. First, no expert gets to testify until or unless His Honor, Judge Hippler, determines that they meet the criteria to testify as an expert witness. Second, these are, as this order says, trial witnesses. These are individuals who each side will be suggesting or stating that they are experts in a specific field that would be beneficial to the jury to have them testify on. They're not fact witnesses. They are not people who might have been in the house at the time the crimes occurred, that are described in the Affidavit of Probable Cause, that saw, that heard, that know something about the crimes. These are people that have expertise, let's say, in the field of DNA, which the average person who sits on a jury might not have, and therefore to have an expert in that field to explain things to the jury after being questioned on direct and then on cross-examination be helpful to help them interpret some of the things that they're seeing and hearing at trial. Judge Hippler must make the determination that they are experts. And third, the reason why the state gets to have 2 sets of experts, both the initial disclosed experts and then the rebuttal, they get to rebut the defendant's experts because it is their case. They have the burden of proof beyond a reasonable doubt. So they have the opportunity to present experts and then rebuttal experts to the defense. If you would like to read this trial order, please go to the link that I have provided in the description to this episode. And as always, thank you for joining us here today.